first grade. It's time for Number Corner. Let's take a look at our calendar. Today is the last day in the month of March. So tomorrow will be April 1st, the last day of March. All right, so Number Corner for yesterday was Tuesday, and it's a digital clock, and it's 7 o'clock. Okay, so March 30th was 7 o'clock on a digital clock. So let's write that down. And we had quite a few days, obviously, over spring break that we didn't chart on our calendar cards, but that's okay. So we'll just, I put this line here to show like we went on spring break and now we're back. And yesterday was 3-30. It was a digital clock and it was 7 o'clock. All right, and then today, if we take a look at our calendar card, it's an analog clock, and you can see the little hour hand is pointing to the 8, and the minute hand is up on the 12, which means o'clock. So 8 o'clock for today, March 31st, the last day of March, and it's an analog clock, and it was 8 o'clock. All right. So we have a little catching up to do on our days in school. Okay, so let's take a look and mark a day for yesterday. And we'll mark a day for today. And you can see that we have 100. We have two groups of 10, so 20, 10, 20. And we are halfway up our group of 10 here. So we're right to the halfway point. And I know that half of 10 is 5. So this tells me we have been in school for 125 days. One group of 100 plus two groups of 10 is 20 plus 5 ones, 125. And our very last day of March, March 31st, 2021, so 3-31-21. All right, so we're going to do a Think 10 today. And the Think 10, let's see. I've been assigning you little Think 10 activities in Seesaw, and some of you are still kind of having a hard time with it, so I kind of want to just show you again what to do. So we'll shake our dice that's in this little container. All right, and we have a 6 and a 9. All right, so I rolled a 6 and I rolled a 9. So I'm going to build 6 first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I know that I have 6 here, and now I'm going to build 9 on my bottom 10 frame with my red. Okay, so it's kind of like blue plus red. And I have to fill it all in except for 1. Okay, so 6 plus 9 equals. So let's figure out what that is. Okay, so I'm going to take my big number and count on first. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 6 plus 9 equals 15. Now I want to make a 10. So in order to make a 10, okay, so this is my second equation. We're saying it's the same as, okay, 6 plus 9 is 15, but we had to count 9 and then 6 more. But if I just take 1 from my 6 and I move it over to my 10, now I've made a 10. plus what's left? 5. So 6, here's our 6. Our 6 plus 9 equals 15, but a very fast way is to think of it as a 10. I only had to move 1 over from my 6 to make a new 10. Now I can say 6 plus 9 is the same as 10 plus 5. And that was much quicker to just make that quick 10, okay? That's when you're making a 10, okay? That's the same. 6 plus 9 is the same as 10 plus 5, okay? You're just finishing a 10 frame and then adding what's left over. Okay, it's not saying 6 plus 9 is the same as 9 plus 6. It is, but that's not a Think 10 strategy. You're trying to make a new group of 10 so you can quickly add in your head 10 plus 5. Okay? We'll just keep practicing. We'll get it.